Now let's create a door opening within the wall. I'll come over here and say that this is the area that I want to have a door. I'll go down to the NURBS surface in the stack and expand it. Go to the surface level and scroll down in the surface common rollout. Use the break column tool to insert a line here. It breaks the surface into two different parts, and you can see that from the edged faces. I'll click again over here to break that surface into two parts. Right click to finish. Then I'll go to break row, and I'll break the row right here on this surface, cutting it into two parts. Then I'll select the door surface and delete it. Now I did that just by eyeballing the locations. To be more accurate, I'll go to the surface CV level and select this row of CVs right here. I'll set the header height to 6'10". Next, I'll select a column of CVs right here, and I'll turn on 3D Snap, right-click, and turn off Grid Point Snap, and go to NURBS Snap. I'll check CV by itself, and then I'll move this CV from here and snap it onto that one. I'm doing that just temporarily so that I can establish the door width. Now I'd like to move that column of CVs back a set distance. I'll go into offset mode and move that back in the positive X direction, the door width. I'll say it's 3 feet. Now I have a precise opening size. It's 3 feet wide by 6'10" high. If I want to reposition that, I can select all of those CVs, and I might need to go into the left or front viewport to select all of the CVs having to do with the door opening, and here I can move them. There are also inner CVs within each surface that don't really matter where they are as long as they're not overlapping other surfaces. If we show the end result, you can see that the opening has been cut right through the wall, and the inner areas here get surfaces. The shell modifier is doing that for us. I'll go back to the top level, and we're done.